Hello guys, welcome to another POV. Today I'm driving a Wright double-decker bus here at Bolton interchange at Bolton, Manchester. So let me just introduce you to this place a little bit. So here on my right hand side you can't really see, but there's a big train station, and here on the left it's the main bus station here at Bolton. It's got bus stands from A to Z, and each stand, for example, A is for service number 1, B is for service number 500 or whatever. So you can just imagine how big it is. As I'm about to turn here in the corner, if you look at the left, you can see all these buses parked up on the stand. That's where we pick the passengers up, and then we just reverse back into the way I'm going to get out of here, which is a one-way system. And here on the right hand side, as you can see, there's a bus parked up and everything. That's because there is an office for the drivers right in the corner, which is only accessible by the drivers and no one else. So if you're on your break, you can just park your bus in there, or if you need to go to the toilet, leave it there and then just go. Yeah, now I'm about to go out the interchange right this way to the traffic lights. Then you can go left or right. Sometimes if you missed your stop or there was another bus already and you need to go back around, so by the time you're back around, the bus that was on your stand, it goes. So you have to go this way and then just follow it around and then do what I've just done. Just come back the same way basically, and then join the stand when there's no other bus in there. Yeah, I always put my handbrake on here because this is an awkward crossing, to be honest. One of the most awkward crossings I've ever come across. I don't know why, for both bus drivers and the people crossing the road. You just can't tell when the light's about to change. And a lot of people crossing here without even looking because they don't expect the bus to pull up. Here on the left, we've connected to the interchange. I think we just missed it, but it's the Bolton University section of it, the business section, business department I meant. And here at the front, that building, the red big building at the front, is called Olympus. It's a very famous and popular fish and chip shops here at Bolton. I know it's very good. I haven't tried it myself, to be honest with you, but I know it's very good because whenever I go past this way, which is very often, pretty much every day, I always see like it's full of people, like lining up. It's fully packed. There's so many people in the queue and everything. So that's how I know it's good. And I've also heard people saying that it's good. They recommended me to go, so it must be good. So if you do come Bolton, do go there for sure. Yeah, that's where I started, here on the left. That's where at the start of the video I was right there. That is the entrance to the interchange. And here on the left hand side, that corner where all the cars are parked up, that's where the train station is, the one that I was talking about. Yeah, these traffic lights, they take quite a long time to change, because they're connected to the main road, which I'm about to go past. You'll see. Yeah, I just want to take this chance, to say thank you for watching, and for if you subscribed and everything, thank you for supporting me as well. Because I'm serious about this channel, honestly. I'm gonna do something with it. Just need some time, because with the work and everything, it's very difficult to make videos sometimes, to edit them and to do, post them and upload them and everything. It takes a lot of time, to be honest, especially if it's a big file like a long video. takes time, you know, but yeah, I'm definitely onto something here, you know. Just give me some time, watch what I do with this channel within 1 year. You will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, here on the left we got Peugeot car showroom, Peugeot Ibiza Mid-Seat. I think there's another manufacturer as well in there, I'm not sure. But whenever I have to go to the depot from the interchange where we first started, and sometimes I miss my bus or whatever, so then I just decided to walk, so I have to go this way, right? And I always look at these cars because some of them are literally like brand new, you know, 2023, 2022. They have some Cupras in there, not Supra, Cupra, the new car. Yeah, so I just love looking at these cars, you know. It's nice because my car is pretty old. It's 17 years old and I need to upgrade it very soon, you know. So I'm not gonna upgrade to a Peugeot, but it's just nice looking at them, really. That's it. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now, you know. I'm gonna let you enjoy the video, you know, enjoy the car sound and sound of the environment and everything. Yeah, once again, thanks for watching, you know. If you already come to this point of the video, obviously I'm sure you liked it, you must have. Let me know in the comments if you liked it or not, or if you have any feedbacks or whatever. But yeah, subscribe and see you guys next time. Thank you, bye.